I'm Lydia from Altenew, and I'm just popping in to let you know about 5 wonderful ways that you can use washi tape. Number 1, which is the quickest and easiest way to use a wonderful wide washi tape, is to either use it as a background or a border. So the thicker the washi tape, it means that it's going to cover more area. So if you do use a smaller one, you can in fact just build this up to create a larger image. Same goes for the large washi tape. If you wanted it smaller, you can trim these down. They make great backgrounds just to add to all of your projects, be that cards or even scrapbook pages.
Laurie Willison has a video showing how to add the wide washi to a card front, and I just followed her instructions here, and how easy is that?
Number 2. You can use these beautiful washi tapes also as embellishments. So there are 2 ways you can do this. You can use it as like a hard-backed embellishment or even as a sticker. So to create the hard-backed embellishment that you can then use some foam tape on to make it dimensional, you can just add this to a piece of cardstock and then cut round it. We also have some dies that work with some of our wide washi tape. So instead of having to fussy cut these out, you can just use the coordinating die, pop it over the image and then run that through your die cutting machine so you can create these embellishments quickly and easily. To create a sticker, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to add this to your cutting mat. You can then cut around it with a craft knife. Another way to use your dies to create stickers is you can pop this onto a piece of acetate and then cut it with your die cutting machine. Gently remove the washi tape from the acetate and you have your very own little sticker. Number 3. You can use this washi tape to cover all of your notebooks. It's really cool, quick and easy to customize your own notebooks or even journals and journal pages. Number 4. You can decorate your furniture with this washi tape. It is absolutely amazing. You can use it on walls or any hard surface that you want to decorate with these beautiful designs. It is removable as well, so if you fancy a change, you can quickly and easily take it off and then add another one on. Number 5. You can also change the look of your washi tape using some alcohol ink or our artist markers to quickly and easily add a little bit of a difference to it. You can use it as a stencil too, so we have the beautiful die cut ones, and you can add these onto your project, use an ink blending tool through them and then remove them from your cardstock, leaving the beautiful design behind. Here's a quick recap of the tips that you've just learned. Use them as backgrounds, you can use them as embellishments, cover your notebooks with them, decorate your furniture, customize it and use it as a stencil. We really do hope that these 5 quick and easy ideas have given you a little bit more inspiration on ways you can use your washi tape. Thank you so much for watching. See you again soon. Bye-bye. Hello there. Did that video just spark your creativity? And do you want more project ideas and inspiration videos too? Well, if you do, please make sure that you subscribe to the Altenew YouTube channel. Also, make sure that you do click that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.